What are we doing today, Justin?
Today we're going to make sweet roasted Brussels sprouts.
There's nothing sweet about Brussels sprouts.
Yeah, well, hopefully we'll prove you wrong today.
Okay, what goes in it?
Well, this is awesome. This is a recipe I came up with for Thanksgiving. You're not going to believe how tasty it is.
Okay.
1 pound of Brussels sprouts, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 apples, and a 1/3 cup of walnuts.
Wow.
Pretty easy.
That sounds easy. What do you want me to do?
So if you'll just start slicing these Brussels sprouts in half.
All right.
And I'm going to dice this apple here.
Hopefully, we won't take any fingers off in the process.
Yes, let's keep all of our fingers.
You know, I've heard that Brussels sprouts get better rather than bitter after the first frost of the year. So,
oh, is that true?
So don't buy your Brussels sprouts too early in the season because they get better.
That is a good tip.
Yeah. And you know, it's good to kind of chop these up ahead of eating them or ahead of cooking them.
Now I'm going to start...
Release all those good flavors and chemicals.
I'm going to just put a little dab of oil here and just going to saute these Brussels sprouts flat side down.
Oh, so don't do too many at once.
Yeah, you don't want to put too many in there.
Them.
And let me tell you a little secret about Brussels sprouts. The longer you cook them, the more bitter they get.
Is that right?
Yeah, so we want to not have super bitter Brussels sprouts, so we're just going to lightly saute them.
All right.
Just till they start seeing that, that bright green.
Okay. I'll turn them up here so you can see them.
Perfect.
Amongst all the leaves.
We'll just throw all these in there.
Oh, and there's one I missed. The one that nearly got away. There we go. Oh, look at all that good stuff.
Yeah. These are like delicious little mini cabbages. So you just saute those till they just start turning bright green and just get a little bit of a crust on the bottom.
Okay.
And when you're...
So that's to give them that texture?
Just to give them some texture, yep.
Okay.
And without them getting too bitter. So then we're going to just combine our apples and...
Oh, you're like me. You just throw the whole lot in, the
just
core
throw
and
it in
everything.
there. This is a super easy recipe. I'll roughly chop these walnuts real quick.
So there's some added nutrition there with those walnuts, a little bit of fat to make it satisfy the appetite.
And the walnuts with the apples just tastes...
Oh, I always love walnuts and apples together.
Tastes great. And the apples are there to balance the acidity, the slight bitterness from the Brussels sprouts. You put it all together, it's wonderful. So let's just dump these in there.
All right, I'll bring this over for you.
All right. Just toss that all together.
Oh yeah, look how they've just changed.
Yeah, they're already just starting to get a little golden. So we'll just bake that at 425 for about half an hour. And when it comes out, you've got this beautiful...
Oh, look at the colors. That's pretty with the red apples and the, yeah.
New favorite?
That is nice, yeah. That is a great way to do Brussels sprouts. Half an hour and it's done. Well, thanks, Justin.
Absolutely.
You want to try this if you've got too many apples and Brussels sprouts at the same time.